Good morning students. So theory already I have discussed regarding combinational circuit. The same thing here. Now once again I am explaining before going to the actual concept, full adder and half adder. So just I am giving brief explanation of combinational circuits, right? So combinational circuits I told, so they are considered as what here? Logic circuits, right? Which includes, if you see this diagram here, block diagram, so which includes n input variables and which is going to generate what here? M output variables here. So the design of combinational circuits includes what here? It includes n input variables coming from the external source and it is directed to what here? M output variables going to an external destination. Now in between this input and output variables are interconnected by what here? Logical circuits, right? So here you have steps. So how we are going to design the logical circuits, including what here? Combinational circuit. So I told the design of combinational circuits will start from what? It starts from the problem definition and it ends with right, drawing the logical circuit diagram. So the design of combinational circuits will start from what? It will start with the problem definition and it ends with what? It ends with the design of the logic circuit diagram. So we already have discussed the steps here, right? You had 5 steps. First one is what here? Step 1, that is nothing but you have to state the problem. Problem is stated, first step, right? After that, second step, right? You have to assign the symbols for input variables as well as the output variable. So second step is nothing but what here? Assigning input and output variables. Using what? Using some symbols. Already I told. So what are the symbols we are using in logic gates? From small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. So second one is what in here? Assigning input and output variables. So any symbol you can take and you can assign it for input as well as the output. And third step here, right? So you have to generate the truth table. Third step is what here? You have to generate the truth table. So which gives the relationship between input as well as the output variable. So third step is what? Generate the truth table. So the truth table which gives the relationship between input variable as well as the output variable. And fourth step you have, right? In case of fourth step, you have to generate the logical expression, right? So you will get what here? Truth table includes what? Input as well as the output. So whatever output which is generated, so for that you have to generate the logical expression. So logical expression will be generated for what? Generated for the output, right? Once the logical expression is generated, now you are going to draw the circuit diagram, right? That is nothing but the fifth step here. So once the logical expression is generated for the truth table, then we are going to draw the logical circuit diagram. So these are the steps which are included to generate what here? Logical circuit diagram. So here now how the design of this combinational circuit, right? It is implemented, means it is implemented with the help of what here? Half adder as well as what here? Full adder. So when I am coming to this half adder, right? So this half adder, so definition what you are giving means this half adder is nothing but it is a combinational circuit, right? If you observe this diagram here, if you compare this diagram, so half adder also I am taking what here? Inputs, n inputs and it is generating what here? M output. So if you check here combinational circuit, right? So it is having what here? N input variables generating what here? M output variables. So the output variables will be what? Always the functions of input variable. So here they have given. So you can give the definition of half adder as what here? It is a combinational circuits, right? So which is taking two input variables, AUG as well as the ADD, and which is generating two output variables, that is nothing but the sum and carry, and it is used to perform what here? Binary arithmetic addition of two variables. So that is the definition you can give for what here? Half adder. So what is half adder? Half adder is nothing but it is a combinational circuits which is taking how many variables here? Two input variables x and y. So x is known as a augend, AUGEND, and y is known as a addend, which is generating two output variables, that is nothing but s and c. S stands for sum and c stands for the carry. So which is used to perform binary arithmetic addition of two variables. So that is the definition we can give here, right? Now I have given the diagram explanation. So next one is what? I am going to generate the truth table here, right? So how many variables, input variables I am taking here? So input variables I am taking x, y, right? So output variables, it is going to generate what here? Sum and carry, right? So it follows, you are going to do what here? Binary addition of, right? So in that case, it follows the same rule here, arithmetic addition rules only. Now 0, 0, then the sum value will be 0, carry value will be 0. When you are coming to x0, y is equal to 1, sum 0 plus 1 is 1 and carry value will be 0. And 1, 0, 1 plus 0 again, sum value will be 1 and carry value will be 0. When you are coming to the last case here, x value is 1 and y value is 1. So 1 plus 1, right? So binary arithmetic addition you are doing, then in that case 1 plus 1 is sum value will be 0 and the carry value will be 1, right? So now I got what here? Truth table, right? So now next one is logical expression. So for this output, next step, so whatever output is generated, so I have here two columns output. One is sum as well as another one is what here? Carry here. So for this sum column, see here, wherever 1 is there, right? Wherever the output value 1 is there. So for those inputs I am going to generate the expression here. S is equal to some value. When in which case the S value is 1 here? When x is 0, that is nothing but what? X dash I have taken, and y is 1. So x dash y plus, now when it is again 1, so x y dash, right? In these two cases only, S value is 1 here. So first case is x dash y, x value is 0 here, right? Next one is x y dash. So x dash y plus x y dash. So starting classes we have discussed XNOR gate, XOR gate, right? So XOR gate, so the output will be high when the inputs are opposite to each other. That is nothing but what? 0, 1 and 1, 0. So here also you are getting the same expression. Then you can write the expression as what here? S is equal to x XOR condition y, right? Now second one is what here? Second output is C. Now for C column also I have to generate what here? Logical expression. So when the output is high in C column, when the output is high here, so when both the inputs are high, right? When both the inputs are high, the output is high. So we have discussed in what here? AND gate. So in AND gate, the output will be high when both the inputs are high here. So C is equal to x dot y. Now I got fourth step, right? Generating the logical expression for what? For the output column within the truth table. Now I have generated what here? Right, logical expression for the two output columns, that is nothing but the sum and carry. Last step is what? I have to include, right? Now I have to draw the logical circuit diagram for these both the expressions here, right? Now in this case, now in this case logical diagram. Now I have to generate what here? Logical diagram. For this two, right, logical expressions, I have to generate the logic. So how many inputs are there? 2 inputs. Now here I am taking what here? X, y, right? Drawing the logical circuit diagram x, y. So in this case, first one is what? S is equal to x XOR y, right? Now in that case, XOR gate. So what is the symbol you have? Like this you have, right? X, Y, it is connected to what here? XOR gate, and then you are getting the output as what here? S, right? So now here what you will write here? S is equal to x XOR y. Now second one is what here? Carry. Carry is equal to what? X into y. Now again I am taking here x. Now here it is y. Now AND operation, right? AND gate you are using. Now here it is generating what here? C, right? C. Now C is equal to what here? X dot y. So like this you are going to generate what here? You are going to draw the logic circuit diagram. right? So these 5 points only you have to remember. First one is what is half adder, why it is used. Second step, generating the truth table, right? Third step, we are using what here? Logical expression. So based on this logical expression, we are going to draw the logical circuit diagram. So half adder is nothing but what? It is a combinational circuit, right? Which is going to take two inputs, that is nothing but augend and addend, and generating what? Two outputs, that is S and C, sum and carry. And here it is used to perform what here? Addition of binary arithmetic addition of two variables. So that is the purpose we are using. So using these two variables I am performing what? Binary addition. So sum, carry is generated. So where it is going to generate the logical expression S is equal to X XOR Y, C is equal to X dot. So using these two expression I have drawn this logical circuit diagram.